Acrobat Studio helps you work smarter with AI from office to home to school. Adobe Blog. These days, many of us feel like both the pace of life and our own expectations are rising, whether we're at work, in school, or sitting around the kitchen table making big decisions for our families. With the breadth of information we're gathering and then sifting through to do that sales presentation, school project, or financial planning, we can all benefit from a little assistance to help us get things done smarter and faster. This was our inspiration as we designed Acrobat Studio, a new AI-powered home for modern work that brings together the productivity of Adobe Acrobat. https://www.adobe.acrobat.html. Easy content creation tools from Adobe Express. https://www.adobe.com/express. And the help of AI assistants powered by agentic technology. We built Acrobat Studio for an era when it can feel like there's always more information to sort through, verify, and understand. A time when we can all benefit from being able to up-level how we communicate, especially visually. And a time when we're all looking for more seamless and simple solutions for everyday challenges. You can put Acrobat Studio, https://www.adobe.com pricing.html-std LZ32SNAN maximize www.work for you, starting today. Here's a peek at a few of the things you can do with it. Show up to the big meeting more prepared. Your team or the board with clarity and confidence. Better understand your top prospect's business and brand to craft a polished proposal. Zip through the pros, cons, and differences between dozens of vendor proposals and make a savvy recommendation. Or create standout content with professionally designed templates in no time at all. Bring PDFs, Office 365 files, web links, and more into your own conversational knowledge hubs where you can chat to uncover insights, generate ideas, validate responses with precise citations, and add notes. Need to review? You can revisit a PDF space anytime. Share PDF spaces and a personalized AI assistant with colleagues. In PDF spaces, use a pre-built AI assistant, like an analyst or instructor for deeper insights, or easily personalize your own assistant and help guide its responses for more tailored results. Share the entire PDF space with the personalized AI assistant with colleagues and customers to deliver knowledge, not just files. Easily create standout content with Adobe Express. Adobe Studio comes with access to a full range of Adobe Express premium tools and assets, including professionally designed business templates to easily create pro-quality flyers, infographics, social media posts, and more. Plus, you get the ability to polish content further with simple tools and custom AI images. Acrobat Studio also includes all essential PDF tools from Acrobat Premium to help you easily edit, create, e-sign, redact, compare, and protect your PDFs. Generate summaries and insights quickly with AI Assistant, even for scans and contracts. Contract AI simplifies working with complex agreements, and intelligent citations makes it easy to verify and trust generated insights. Working smarter at school and home. Students can now use Acrobat Studio to master their midterms by quickly organizing notes and reading assignments into study guides and flashcards for themselves. They can brainstorm topics for term papers, consolidate research, and confirm sources. And with Adobe Express, it's simple to add tables and infographics to presentations and use professionally designed templates to elevate their reports and portfolios for a polished look. For consumers, Acrobat Studio is there for life's big and small moments. Organize major projects like purchasing and renovating a home by consolidating and comparing bids and tracking contract terms in a dedicated hub you can share with your partner. To plan the perfect trip, gather reviews, recommendations, itineraries, and brochures, and then create a personal AI travel agent. And use Adobe Express to capture and share your adventures on social. And if you want to plus up your career, Adobe Studio can be your home for analyzing job postings, researching potential employers, generating practice interview questions, and tuning your resume to help you land the job of your dreams.